I'm sure you've heard the news. Los Angeles is burning, and things are about to get even worse. Right now, Louisiana is battling multiple wildfires. The Palisades and Eaton fires alone have burned about 60 square miles and destroyed over 23,000 homes. And just today, a new fire started in Ventura County. But here's the urgent part. Strong winds up to 70 miles per hour are forecasted over the next 24 hours. These winds could spread embers far and wide, grounding firefighting aircraft and making the situation even more dangerous. At least 25 people have lost their lives, and over 153,000 residents are under evacuation orders. If you're in the affected areas, please stay alert and follow evacuation protocols. Check CAL FIRE's website for interactive maps and updates. Stay safe, everyone. We're all in this together.